Hey there, future UCC undergrads. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an essential guide for all of you heading to the University of Competitive Choice. Whether you're a local or international student, we've got you covered. So, grab your notepads because we're diving into the must-have items for UCC undergrad life. First up, let's talk documents. You'll need your admission letter, room selection, and tenancy agreement. Don't forget the receipt for fee payment and any printable documents you might need. Health matters too, so bring along your hospital examination forms, which you can also do on campus, and some passport pictures. Now, onto academics. Pack your stationery and study materials, exercise books, calculator, mathematical set, and a bag for lectures. A rechargeable study lamp is a game changer, and keep all your essential documents in a clear bag or folder. Of course, don't forget your trusty laptop and a pen drive. Time to talk about your wardrobe essentials. From casual to official outfits, make sure you're prepared for lectures, church services, and special occasions. Throw in a suit, a white long-sleeved shirt, and shoes for both lectures and church services. Comfort matters, so pack slippers, sneakers, singlets, inners, and enough boxers or underwear to last you. Moving on to your personal space. Beddings are a must, including bedsheets, pillows, and pillowcases. Don't forget your cover cloth and nighties or pajamas for those cozy nights. Now, let's power up your living space with electrical appliances. Bring along an electric burner, rice cooker, refrigerator, microwave, blender, kettle, and a multi-socket with an extension board. Foodies, rejoice! No restrictions on food items, so pack your favorite edibles for survival during the first semester. Keep your essential cards close. NHIS card, Ghana card, bank Visa cards, SSNIT, and voter's ID. Don't forget the basics, toiletries. Toothpaste, shower gel, body and hair cream, sponge, towel, deodorants, body spray, perfumes, tea roll, hand gel, sanitizers, mouthwash, bathing and washing soaps, shoe polish and brush, comb, hairbrush, bucket, and an umbrella. Host. And finally, your kitchen essentials. Bowls, plates, cups, a knife, cutlery set, silver bowls for cooking, and a tray. But hold up. Before you start packing, let's talk about the no-go items. Trunk or chop boxes, mattresses, the hall of residence has you covered, gas stoves, and cylinders are a big no-no. So there you have it, your ultimate UCC undergrad packing guide. With these essentials in place, your study period at the University of Competitive Choice will be a breeze. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share this video with your future UCC buddies. Until next time, happy packing and good luck on your UCC journey.